When you think about people who are leaders in the community, who comes to mind? Is it someone who struggles to communicate? Someone who has difficulty solving problems or relating to people who are different than them? No, you think of people who know how to listen, build relationships, and value others. In short, it's people who use social-emotional learning skills to connect and build community. This year, SEL4US and the Urban Assembly are proud to bring you SEL Day 2024. Today's students, tomorrow's leaders. SEL Day gives people around the world the opportunity to showcase the life skills they use to collaborate with others and to be leaders in their communities. Last year, SEL Day had over 10 million social media views from people across all 50 states, 63 countries, and more than 2,300 schools, districts, and organizations. This year, with your partnership, we can reach even more people and build a bigger community. Make a commitment at selday.org to celebrate social emotional learning on March 8, 2024. We'll see you there.